Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change country or region. How to change your country or region on Amazon. Now if you're using the Amazon website, all you gotta do is sign into your Amazon account with your credentials. Next, you look for the flag icon at the top right corner of the page. Head over to the icon and select your preferred language. Then next, you can also hover over the flag icon again to select change country or region. Choose the desired country from the drop-down menu. Now if you're using the Amazon app, how do you do this? It's quite simple. Open the Amazon app on your mobile device, tap on the three-line menu icon, usually at the top right corner. Next, you find and tap on settings or a similar option to settings, and then you select country and language. Choose your preferred language from the lists, and then you select your desired country from the lists. Now note, changing your desired language or region or country and language also can result into some restrictions, because some regions or languages might have restrictions on certain features or content. It also affects your available payment options or methods. It might also affect your shipping address, so you might need to update your shipping address after changing your region. Not all contents are available in every region or language, so you have to be careful of this before changing your region or language. I hope this helps you out, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day.